still beat her in a race around Stodor. Kana said I can make the rules.
She did? I did.
Ah! Okay, 1 lap around Sodor. First one back to Percy wins.
Ready when you are.
First rule, we start when Percy says go. So when do we start, Percy?
When I say go?
You said go!
I let him make the rules. Otherwise, there's no challenge. See ya!
Woo!
See you at the finish line.
Oh, no!
What's wrong, Diesel?
What's wrong is you're winning. Until now.
Ha! Nice try.
New rule. You have to go the long way.
No problem. Hi, where you been?
New rule. You have to ride on one side of your wheels.
This side or this side?
New rule. You have to go backwards.
Diesel, I'm just faster than you, but you're stronger than me. How about we cross together and call it a tie?
New rule. Whoever comes in second wins.
Okay. Stronger means heavier.
Whoa!
And harder to slow down. Are you okay?
Yeah, but next time it's a strength contest.
Okay, but I get to make the rules.